ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Menteri Rangba jong ke Jilla Meghalaya Konrad Kongel Sangma ha ke Kynhun tarik ubenai rempang arajar arpuar ulah hiar sandong stony ban yekendo yeki Nongrep jong ke West Khasi Hills District naga benta ban sam yeki lat jingera pisa sha ki Kynhun penmi marep neki producer group Lyngba ke Farmers Collectivization for Upscaling of Production and Marketing System focus. Ya gani ke jingilang ha gani ke sngi lepen yai da ke Basin Development Unit West Khasi Hills lepen long hapo Vani Hall St. Peter's pendeng rain Nongstony harengkat ke jingidan lang jong MLA ke Nongstony constituency uba Macmillan Bersan ki head officer ke district ki Nongrep na keleng ki Jaka bat kiwei Nagaliang jong Menteri Rangba ulayo ruban sam ki check sha ki hnyopu nyotli ki Kynhun pemi marep na ke district kabalakot shadu ka hnyopu weilak prapusan hajar tengka ha kaba uwei pa uwei Nongrep jong ka wei pa ka wei ke Kynhun kilayo pediang hadu san hajar tengka marwei.
I just want to take 5 minutes to explain about focus. When the pandemic hit us, our farmers, our public, and the entire population of the world faced a lot of economic hardship. The government of India, the government of Meghalaya tried to help as much as possible to different sections of society. But in the process, the MDA government felt very strongly that we must find a way to help our farmers. So therefore, we came out with this program called Focus. And a very important part of the Focus program is the financial assistance that we will give to each and every 4.5 lakh farmer families in the state. We decided that the government of Meghalaya, this MDA government, will give 5,000 rupees to every farmer family, which is amounting to more than 200 crores, will be distributed to all farmer families in the state. But there are a few things that we had to put so that the money will be used in the proper manner. Number one, this 5,000 rupees will be given to every family once. That means 2 members cannot be part of different groups. So 1 member per family. Number 2, this will not go into your personal account, but it will go into the group's account. So if you have 10 members in a group, your group will get 50,000 rupees. If you have 20 members in the group, you will get 1 lakh rupees. And therefore, your group you have to form. And like this, in the past 1 year, hundreds of groups have been formed. Just in the last 1 week, we have distributed checks to over 400 groups, more than 5,000 beneficiaries. More than 7 crores has been distributed in just 1 week. And today, we will be distributing to 77 producer groups, roughly 1,000 members, an amount of 71 lakh 85,000 rupees will be distributed today. And this money is being given so that your group can use it for group's benefit. Now, how can you use it? There are times when our farmers don't have enough money to even buy seeds. Sometimes our farmers don't have enough money to even buy packaging material or to even rent a vehicle to get their produce to the market. In these situations, if you are a group of 20, you get 1 lakh rupees. You can use 20,000 rupees to buy seeds. You can use 20,000 rupees to buy packaging material. You can use 20,000 rupees for transportation of your products. And remember, this money is not loan. You don't have to pay this back. This is your money, which the government has given to you. Our only request is please use it nicely for the benefit of your family and for the benefit of your group. So these are the kind of programs that we have, and in the next 1 year, before December 2022, we will be distributing over 130 crores to different farmer groups. So this program will keep going on and on. This is my second focus program here, and there will be many more focus programs. I may not be able to come, but Honorable MLA will have this program. And as I said, the idea is that every single farmer family will get this benefit. So don't think that I didn't get today. How come somebody else got? You can be rest assured that every family will get this 5,000 rupees. But only one member per family will be selected, and that of course depends on the family and the producer groups that are formed.
Lyngba dari soka ka pangta nak pa dia pi dengan dia menteri kamok kita. Banding dia ke kamak la kai ka bagi pur ka kata ini benda ta kata. Kan nom sisapan ka ban penjarat di kilongi long sen ni. Apa ka ni ka thai ka dong ka ni. Kam semua berong ka la yo to bisa. Ni chue le tip mobile no. Dari ni yo to bisa ni chue kam ka gaman. Anai ngong ipi. Nak tu ipi ki nong ta. Ka ban kong apa dia yo jingi ka government nak ka jing temu le. Sakawipat ngakwa kanong ipi. Hari di Southern hapa ke Jingmyntoi. Jauh ciri mesti ada dalam ini jadi kesoka. Kikam di pemjuji alam suam tak kerja. Lari ni orang di rut aja. Karena story bakaji, karena story yang baik kesai. Kabar itu karena di proposal bensuan. Henry kamsin la jera. Masa kerja lah. Nafsu college. Haka ata ka barang asnam laseng di dalam college. Haka ka ko barang asnam ka ata laseng di dalam college. Tang wei nong hikai ni unyo banyo ke jesi berkaman. Ka soka MD hapo ke sosnan. Kapan I da kam hapo ke si nong san ni. Kanang lem juni ni bastang ni ongba. To ai baka kam kan ken hamjam ni keti. Ni ong wok mu tak. Kata-kata ka persatuan berkanong lem juni kelompa. Nakapa ni timpai ba ni telam bagai soka ke juni. Nakata ke jingha ke jinggo jipa jomri ke sanjang juni.